Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a not so popular term, that is ghosting. I chose this because nowadays a lot of people are ghosting other people. So I thought, why not just talk about it? Ghosting is the term most of us aren't aware of. Ghosting simply means a person has suddenly disappeared from all the social media platform without any notification, and you have no connection with that person anymore. That means that the person has ghosted you. The situation mostly arises when a person doesn't want to have any kind of communication with the other person and just want to end the relationship. Many people who are reluctant to any kind of relationship and aren't able to trust anyone end up ghosting others. They are too afraid of any kind of commitment and choose ghosting as a way of breaking up. Honestly, that is something I too have done, but I'm not really proud of it. I once ghosted one of my very close friends because I didn't want to indulge in the communication, and so I ended up ghosting that person. We were really close, but I felt that the relationship was too abusive, and so I didn't want to be in there anymore. I don't want to have any conversation because I thought after the conversation I would stay, which I certainly didn't want to. The thing, ghosting at that moment felt really nice, but then actually it isn't. And honestly, this is the worst thing you can do to a person. You never know how emotionally a person is invested in a relationship and how big of an impact can it have on the other person. If you ever think of leaving a person due to personal reasons or whatever, then at least have the courtesy to have the last conversation with them. This is the least you can do, not to assure whether they would stop you from leaving or not, and not to assure that yes, hosting was a better option and I didn't want to have this conversation, but to at least tell them that where it went all wrong. That is the least you can do to a person. When you are in any kind of relationship, just always remember that there aren't just your feelings involved, but the other person's feelings are also involved in it. You are as much involved in a relationship as the other person is. So when you think of leaving onto something, you definitely owe them an explanation. It's really hard for people who have been ghosted on to move on. They keep on thinking that what did just happen? What did I do? Where did it all go wrong? Why didn't I see this coming? They are just left to wonder all the whys. Some people may say now, what if someone annoying you? What if someone is disturbing you even after repeatedly saying no to them? The only option we are left is ghosting them. Then I'd say no, it's not the only option. What if you see that person in public? Then how are you gonna react to it? What if that person comes and starts talking to you? How are you going to ghost them then? How are you going to ignore them then? There won't be any option. You will have to face the person one day or the another. Think twice or thrice before ghosting someone. Running from it is definitely not an option. If you're a person who ghosts people, then this one is for you. You can't ghost them all through your life. No, you can't do that. I'd say that you can always talk it out with the other person. You don't certainly have to stay after the conversation. Nobody is asking you to stay. We all come across relationship where we don't want it anymore and we don't want to continue it, or we don't want the other person in our life. We should at least talk once with that person. I know sometimes people don't have the will to talk it through, but if you do it one time, you're gonna do it again and then again, and the cycle goes on like this. You can't just end up ghosting people all along your life. At some point of time, you will have to end it, but that point of time you won't be able to do it because you have been ignoring such situations and you won't know how to deal with them. In the end, you will end up being miserable and being alone. So I'd say ki just talk. Having conversation actually makes things clear and make everything go right. Gather some confidence and just talk it through. And for the people who have been ghosted on, I'd say that just move on, yeah. They are not worth your time and all the efforts. And if the person has ghosted you, that doesn't mean that the problem lies between you. It tells more about the other person. It tells that the other person was immature enough and lacked courage to talk to you. Nobody deserves it. So instead of wasting your time in thinking about all the hows and whys and going through old conversation and pictures and just crying about it all day long and stalking the other person through different accounts, indulge in something you love. Indulge in something which you know you that can help you take your mind off. It's never a compulsion to be with a single person all through your life. You can always leave if you don't feel like staying. A person deserves to explore and meet new people. So do that, but don't ghost people. You don't know that how great of an impact that can have on the other person, and how great on an impact it can have on you also. Everyone deserves an explanation, everyone deserves the conversation. So never just leave them hanging and stay focused on your life and your happiness. There is no other person who can make you happy other than you can. Thank you so much for coming this through of the video. I hope you guys have now once understood the meaning of ghosting and won't do it with other people. You guys can always DM me if you guys have any queries regarding this and are stuck in a similar situation like this. But just don't ghost the person. Okay, and thank you so much, and just stay home.